I'm Cara, and today we're going to have a look at diaphragmatic breathing, or it might be known as deep belly breathing. So what we really want to think about here is that you're really using your diaphragm as you take your breath. So you're taking nice deep breaths and you're engaging the diaphragm to help you take those deep breaths. You'll find a lot of the time we can move into shallow breathing, and you might really feel that you're up in the upper chest and you're really breathing up here. But we want to work the diaphragm. So if you imagine the diaphragm is like a dome shape, so as you breathe out, it's like a dome shape at the base of your lungs. And then as you breathe in, it flattens out as the lungs fill with air. And then that will move your belly out if your abdomen is nice and relaxed. So we'll go through it lying down. If you did have some kind of respiratory problem, such as with COVID-19, then you'd actually want to lie on an incline or be upright, or possibly even on your side or something. You don't want to be lying flat. But if you have no immediate problems, then you can try lying flat on the ground as we do it. But you can also be seated as well, however feels most comfortable for you. So, coming to your starting position, if you're lying down, we'll have the knees bent and the body to the ground, and hands rest on your belly just below your ribs. If you're sitting up, then just try and sit up tall through the top of the head, and same thing, bring your hands to your belly. Now we're going to breathe nice and deeply and slowly in and out through your nose. And as you breathe in, feel the hands rise. As you breathe out, feel the hands lower towards the ground. Again, as you inhale, the hands rise up. As you exhale, the hands lower, and you really imagine your belly emptying. Good, and just taking a few nice deep breaths like that, really trying to bring that breath into your belly. Really feel the movements of hands lift and then lower. Then when you're ready, we can meet back at a sitting position, however you like to come back up. So as you'll see, it's just a nice simple focus for your breath to make sure that that diaphragm is really working to the best of its potential. You'll notice sometimes if you're feeling anxious, or maybe sometimes if you feel out of breath, it tends to be because we move our breath really into this upper chest, and you're really taking shallow breaths just at the top of your body. So sometimes you can even bring one hand to upper chest, one hand to belly, and make sure you're breathing into both areas, or if anything, slightly more into the belly to work that diaphragm. Good, I hope you found that really useful and you give diaphragmatic or your deep belly breathing a go, particularly at times that you're feeling anxious or out of breath, or any time that you just feel that you need to ground down. But as I said, it's also really useful if you're suffering from the effects of illnesses like COVID-19. Good. If you enjoyed it, then do subscribe to my channel and do check out some of my other yoga videos. We do quite a lot of diaphragmatic breathing, so it's a really good place to practice it. Have a lovely day.